But you packed the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat. It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Madeline and today I'm going to share with you a kids room transformation because my toddler's room desperately needed a good organize and declutter and clean, and I also got a few new decor items that I wanted to share with you today. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started because as you can see it's a pretty big mess in here. I have this mattress on the floor because I've actually been sleeping. My husband and I have been taking turns sleeping on the floor with Victor because he wakes up in the night and we're trying to get him used to staying in his bed rather than coming into ours, just because it's been getting so exhausting. So that's the phase we're in at the moment. That's why there's a mattress on the floor. It's a thin one, so it's quite good because I can just pack it up quickly and put it in a wardrobe or something throughout the day, and then I just take it out at night. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and do that quickly, just kind of put everything away, and then I'm going to move on to make Victor's bed. So I'm just going to take his sheets off. The duvet and the pillow cover were good to go, but I just wanted to change the sheet on his bed. And we have a mattress protector underneath, as you can probably tell, and that one was from Amazon. We actually have a big size one on our bed as well because, as I said, Victor does come into our bed sometimes, so I just wanted to have that protection for the mattress. And the sheets that we have are from John Lewis. I think we got these nearly 2 years ago when we moved to London. But the duvet set with dinosaurs was fairly recent from Homebase. Next up, I'm going to dust a bit on his wardrobe and this dresser here on the side. I'm also going to spray it down because it had a few marks.
This guitar right here, do you still remember how?
And then one thing that I wanted to do was declutter his toys a bit. So we actually, as you probably know if you've watched my previous videos, downstairs we have a Ikea storage unit just for his toys, but I felt like it was getting a bit overflowing, so I wanted to bring some upstairs and kind of rotate them a bit. We have a few toys that we keep in the garage, but those are just not as accessible, so I just wanted to keep some up here. So I just brought a few that I kind of have noticed he's lost a bit of interest in. So I'm going to keep them here for a few weeks and then take them downstairs and switch them with some other ones. So that's kind of my toy rotation system. It's nothing fancy, I just have some baskets that I go between. And these two baskets I thought were so cute. They're llama ones and they've got this yellow mustard color that I really like for home decor. And these baskets were from Homebase as well. And it's nice that they come with a lid so I can put them on top of the wardrobe and not worry about them getting dusty or anything like that.
I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That was
Okay, next, moving into his wardrobe, I'm going to take out everything up here. He's got his dinosaur costume, which we got for Halloween from Amazon as well. And then I'm just going to put up here a few things that he doesn't wear. Either they are too small, which we have to donate, or they're too big and I'm kind of waiting for him to grow into, like these shoes. He actually has two pairs of these shoes. They're from Tesco, and one is the smaller size and one is the bigger one. So I'm just keeping the bigger one up here. And then I felt like we weren't using this space enough. We just kept most of his clothes in the dresser, like with the drawers. So I wanted to make more use of his wardrobe as well. And then here at the bottom we had quite a few toys, just kind of like soft toys. And then also an extra set of duvet and pillow cover and things like that. So I'm just going to put that under his bed.
I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire.
Okay, moving on to his clothes. I was actually quite dreading doing this and it's been way overdue, but I definitely needed to do that today. So I'm taking all his clothes out. And I'm going to separate them into tops, bottoms, PJs, and then I've got And then I've got some nappies because he still wears those at night. He's potty trained throughout the day, but he still needs them at night. And then he's got his underwear and socks and things like that.
Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Stripping down new. Stripping down new. Stripping down new. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. Inside myself, I swear to never talk about it until I start.
Okay, so I'm going to put a few things on the hangers. And I've actually got this storage hanging unit from Ikea. I got this a while ago, but I'm sure they still have it. I wanted to use it as a weekly kind of outfit planner, if that makes sense. Actually, one of my subscribers gave me this idea and I thought it was brilliant. She said she used this for her boys when they were little. And basically you put clothes in there, like a full outfit with top, bottom, socks and underwear as well. So they've got a full outfit to go for each day. I think this fits 5 outfits, which is fine. I can just fill them in once I notice them, emptying out. So that, when you are trying to dress them in the morning, you just grab one outfit from there and you're good to go. So I thought it was quite brilliant. So I'm going to give this system a go for a while and see how it works for us. So I've got 5 outfits for him for the next few days. And then I also put a few extra tops on his hangers. And then the rest of the clothes, I'm just going to put them back in the drawers. But as you can see, it's way less stuffed in there. It was just getting over cluttered and it was driving me crazy because it was so hard to find clothes for him in the morning. So in the drawer at the bottom, I'm going to put his nappies. And then at the top, I'm going to put underpants and socks and things like that, which as you can see, it's quite empty because a lot of them were in the wash. And then in the middle one, I'm going to put PJs and then some extra trousers that didn't fit in the bigger wardrobe.
Save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down new. Strip it down new. Strip it down new. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me.
Next up, I'm actually going to do a bit of decorating in here. So I've got this pom-pom garland and I'm going to stick it on the wall, and I used command hooks for this. I think these are the smallest command hooks that you can get. I will try to find them on Amazon. So yeah, I just put 2 of them, one on each side, and these are supposed to be really easy to take off without leaving any marks on the wall. And I'm going to hang the garland on there. The pom-pom garland was from H&M. Again, I'll try to link this down below as well. I think most of the things that I mentioned I will link as long as I can still find them. Yes, so cute. I really love the colors on the pom-poms. I think they're just really adorable. Next up, I'm going to put some more decor on his dresser here. I've got a watercolor painting with dinosaur and letter V for Victor. This one was from a good friend of mine who does these prints. I will link her website down below as well. She's really, really talented. I also got a pom-pom basket, also from H&M, to kind of match the pom-poms on the wall. I thought that was quite cute as well. I've got an Ikea plant, and then I've also got these pack doll figurines. These are wooden ones and they're so cute, and they spell out Victor as well. These were from Play Learn Packs. I hope I'm not saying that wrong, but I will link that down below as well. It's from my friend Kingo, who does these really cool wooden toys. So yeah, I'm just going to put this here just to kind of make it a bit more fun. For his stuffed animals, I actually used this basket, which I got from TK Maxx, I think more than a year ago. But you can find in TK Maxx baskets like this all the time. So I'm just going to stuff his stuffed animals in there, just because he has quite a few. He's accumulated them throughout the years. Okay, moving on to the other side of the room, which doesn't look as great. So this is mostly his books, and he's got this little Ikea table here where he likes to do, sometimes we do crafts up here, sometimes he will play with his Legos or his cars. He just really likes having this space in his room. So I'm going to start by taking everything off and giving it a good dust. I'm going to put some of the spare, like tinier Legos that are on here, I'm going to put them in this basket. And I just really love having baskets like this around, just kind of like a throw place for all the things that don't actually have a place at the moment. So it's really nice because it's kind of an organized mess, if you know what I mean. And then here on his table, I figured I would put a few books that he really likes to read and maybe kind of rotate them once in a while so that he has, you know, something new in his view. The Dinosaurs book is definitely one of his favorites. And then I'm also going to reorganize his books on this shelf as well.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go.
I think this corner looks so much better now. And now I'm going to hang a poster that I got for him. This one was also from H&M and it's a dinosaur poster. He's going to really love this. He hasn't seen it yet. And I'm going to hang this up here with blue tack because I wanted to actually hang a frame, but I realized I ran out of frames like the ones that we used in the downstairs living room. So I actually need to buy a frame for this just because I want it to last longer so that it doesn't get ruined. But for now I just stuck it up with some blue tack. And that's what this corner now looks like. I think it's so cute and I think he's going to really, really love this.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and
then I'm going to go around and hoover in his room as well because there was quite a bit of dust and just a few crumbs because he does bring some snackies up here sometimes. So yeah, that's about it for this kids room transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you are all having a great day. Bye guys!